A barren rock in the frozen Arctic. No people, no trees, just wind, ice, and silence. And for nearly 50 years, two countries went to war over it, Canada and Denmark. But not a single shot was ever fired. Instead, they fought with alcohol. Every time one side landed, they'd plant their flag and leave a bottle behind. Canada left whiskey. Denmark left schnapps. Flag after flag, bottle after bottle, decade after decade. They even gave it a name, the Whiskey War. Then, in 2022, they finally made peace. They drew a single border straight across the rock and toasted with one last drink. The friendliest war in history ended exactly how it began, with a bottle. This tiny Arctic rock now splits two nations in two. Follow Global Curiosity for fascinating facts and new discoveries every single day.